So now you tell me about the POM routine that I teach you. How you gonna do it?
Prepare, so your seatbelt, making sure that you've got your
Yeah,
ready to drive.
Yeah, your hand controls.
And then observe, checking the mirrors, and then maneuver, moving off.
Well done.
Yeah.
Okay, let's show me now
Okay.
how you gonna do it. Okay.
Okay.
Get
so-
ready.
Okay.
I want to
Check
see
your
now.
mirrors.
And
There is a
press
car
the
coming down.
yes. So
I'll
press
just-
the brake. Put the car in drive. Signal right. And if any car coming, don't go. If no one's coming, then we're gonna go. Okay. Nice and slow. Move more to that side. Okay. Inside mirror.
Yeah.
Left. Right. And slowly move forward.
Right here?
Reduce no
Oh,
ahead.
sorry.
Yeah. Reduce your speed. Go slowly, okay? That's fine. End of the road, we are turning left. Move more to this side.
Yeah.
Good.
End of the road, we're turning left.
Left, yeah. So when we check, when we turn left, which mirror we check first?
Is it the right one?
Center
Oh,
one.
center.
Center and then left, okay? And then we're gonna stop here. Is this a closed junction or open?
Is it a closed one?
Yeah, we can't see. So this means it's a closed junction. So we stop here
Yeah.
and we align this mirror with the corner and then we turn. But keep looking in the road, okay?
Okay.
Creep forward. Look on your right again and then turn. Slowly. Keep turning and turn to my side. And now straighten your wheel and give gas but a little bit away from this car. And then we are taking next road on our left. So reduce your speed because park cars both sides. Nice and slow from the middle because our car is big, okay?
Yeah.
So more slow like walking pace.
Okay.
Move more to this side. And so we're gonna turn left in this road. Nice and slow. The speed is perfectly fine. Keep going ahead and after this big jeep we're gonna pull up to the left. Remember, so how you gonna pull up to the left?
Checking the
Center and then-
the left.
Good.
So just after this vehicle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Signal. Reduce your speed more.
Yeah.
And we come to the left here.
I don't want to curb it.
So steer to that side. Yeah. And park up here. Park the car, handbrake up and secure the car. Perfect. Well done.
Was that good?
Good.
Yeah.
Really good, okay?
The corners weren't as good though, were they?
Yeah, because yeah.
The minute you get your phone out.
Yeah, the first left turn was absolutely fine. You were observing, you were looking everywhere, you were looking left, right, ahead because this is a T junction.
Yeah.
So when we went on the next road, what kind of road is that? It's a crossroad or T junction, the next one.
That one across road.
Yeah. So that's the crossroad. So what should we do on the crossroad when we approach?
Stop. Get off the accelerator.
Yes.
And reduce speed.
And how we do the observation in there?
Checking the mirrors.
Which mirror?
This one.
And we need to look in the road as well.
Okay.
So we need to look left, ahead and right.
Okay.
Left, ahead, right and left again in sequence.
Yeah.
Left, ahead, right and left again. And then when it's safe, we look few times and then on turning point we look again. That's for our safety, okay? So observation is really important. So that left hand was okay, and when we went ahead, perfectly fine. You pull up to the left, okay. And then when on the last one,
Yeah, I think it got a bit.
what happened there
I
then?
think it's because when I looked in that mirror, I seen a car coming so automatically I'm thinking, oh no. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah,
So I
you
just
were
got a little bit
thinking he's
panicky.
coming towards you. That's all.
Yeah.
So don't panic. If
Okay.
he's coming, what's the best action you're gonna do when you see a hazard?
Stop.
That's good. So you stop,
Yeah.
reduce your speed, stop, and then if it's safe, look again, look twice on turning point, look again, and then turn in new road. And when you turn in any new road, quickly left in center mirror.
Yeah.
So why we look in center mirror in new road?
To see if there's anything behind us.
That's good. Well done. Well done. Good. Absolutely fine.